I'm going to show you how to easily apply for a job or work at Olive Garden. Now, as you can see, I've just searched up Olive Garden jobs. Now, this is what you want to do when you're on Google. You just search this up. And you can actually go over to the careers website for Olive Garden like so. Now, depending on your location, we can actually filter that on this page like so. You can simply enter in your location, such as your zip code, your city that you live in, or the restaurant number. You can actually look up Olive Garden restaurant number depending on the location, because each one has an individualized location. And once you've actually entered this, you can actually click on search apply, or you can actually even easier go to jobs near me. This is what I recommend doing, and actually allowing Olive Garden to access your location in your area. And as you can see, when you click on this, it will actually show you a bunch of different Olive Gardens in the general area that you're in, depending on what city you're in. Just keep in mind there are 500 plus Olive Gardens across the US in the North America in general. And when we're on this page, you can actually see all the jobs such as bartender and so on that you can actually filter. We can actually choose bar staff, kitchen staff, dining room, restaurant manager, or so on. And you can basically just click on these categories, choose your radius of range to the area that you live in, depending on how far you want to travel to the location. And you can actually see it will actually send you and show you the different jobs for each of these categories. And or you can click on this little chat box in the top bottom right hand corner, and it will actually give you a list of the different jobs that you can actually apply for. Now, if you do want to apply for a prep cook, you can enter in 7. Just click on enter, and this will actually give you more information on the prep cook like so, even in the areas that you're actually in, depending on your location. So you can basically just click on this, and it will give you some information such as the 401k, weekly pay, when you get paid, and time off, and so on. And you basically just want to click on apply now. You can do it from the chatbot, or you can actually click on any of these options just on this page right here if we want to be a restaurant manager. Now, when you're on this page, all you're going to want to do is you click on chat to apply. Now, chatting to apply will basically open up this AI bot right here that will be your support, and you basically want to give it your information or just like respond to what the questions it asks you. It's basically going to send you a job application based off the information and the answers that you provide with it, so it can determine if you're worthy of this job or not. Now, basically, first thing you want to enter in your first and last name, so I'm just going to do that like so, and enter in your mobile number like so. And as you can see, depending on the job, since some jobs are 21 plus, it's going to ask you if you are that certain age or so. Just keep in mind you do have to be at least 16 years or older, depending on if you do want to apply for this job or not. And it will basically ask you any more of this information. This is the equivalent of filling out a resume before you actually send it to your Olive Garden right here. Now, this will be sent to the location that you're applying for. So you basically want to upload this resume by dragging your file or searching your computer, or you can upload this later, but you do have to do this, and it will increase your odds of actually being contacted and hired at this job. And as you can see, it'll just basically spew out all these answers, and that is how you apply, and they'll get back to you responding within the first few days or week of your application. And as you can see, it'll basically just give your details if you click on this link right here and enter in your verification code and check your email regularly, and you can actually simply apply for a job and work at Olive Garden just by doing this like so.